Hey folks, we have successfully completed our node.js series on my channel. So if you haven't checked out my node.js series, then kindly check it out. And from this video onwards, we are going to start our MongoDB series. So without further wasting any time, let's start. Now you probably heard about two kind of databases, which is SQL and NoSQL. So MySQL is a SQL database and MongoDB is a NoSQL database. So let's understand what is the difference between SQL and NoSQL databases. So basically, a SQL database is containing the relations between tables. So like you can see in this example, authors versus books. So authors is containing ID, name and age, and age, name and ID is also connected to this books table, which is one to many relationship. You can see here this is one to many relationship, and that's how the both tables are connected from the relations. In SQL databases, we are using this SQL queries like select star from authors, which is going to get all the records from all the authors table. If we talk about NoSQL databases, then NoSQL databases is containing collections and documents. So this is users is a collection, and this is the all the documents which is containing in users. You can see this is authors, this is books, and this is all the records, or you can see or you can see the documents. Documents is containing this kind of information. Let's say this is the JSON kind of information, or you can say object type of information. So let's look at the pros and cons of SQL and NoSQL. So the pros of SQL is easy to use and set up, universal compatible with many tools, good at high performance workloads, good at structured data. While let's look at NoSQL, so no investment to design model, rapid development cycles, in general faster than SQL, runs well on the cloud. Let's look at cons. So time consuming to understand and design the structure of the database, and it can be difficult to scale the SQL databases. Also now let's look at NoSQL. So NoSQLs containing unsuited for interconnected data. On technology still maturing, can have slower response time. So NoSQL is new and SQL is very like we are using since many years. So this is the difference between SQL and NoSQL. So before going to start learning about MongoDB or any other NoSQL database, you need to know one programming language. And I have already created a playlist on Node.js and React. So if you haven't checked out my those playlists, then kindly check it out. The link is in description. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.